Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In tips and tricks, today we are going to see how to complete 4 by 4 grid. Consider any number from 1 to 99. Let's say 22. Now write 5 here, 4 here, 1 and 8 here. 5 4 1 8 7 2 7 2 you can write here, and 3 6 here. 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, and 12 here, and 2 here, 1 here, 3 here, and 4 here. Now you can see horizontally it is also coming 22, like 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 1, 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So horizontally it is coming 22. Here also 11 plus 8 is 19, and 1 20, and 2 22. Here also coming 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. Here also coming 15, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 is 22 here. So you can see horizontally from everywhere it is coming 22. Now vertically, let's check vertically like this. So 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 4 22. Here also it is coming 22. 12 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 6 is also 22. 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 3 is also 22. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 11 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. So everywhere vertically also we have checked it is coming 22. Now let's see diagonally. Diagonally you can see 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 9 is also 22. Now you can see this side 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 10 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. Not only this, you can see here also 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 10 19, 19 plus 3 is 22. So this side also it is coming 22. Not only this, you can see here also 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. Similarly you can see here also 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. Now not only this one, you can check here also 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 9 is 22. So everywhere, from the corners also, in the middle also, and from the sides also, everywhere it is coming 22. Now let's see how it works. Again, okay, now I have taken another grid. Let's see how it works. So first of all you have to complete 9. 9 is a magic number. You can say 9, 5 plus 4 is 9. Let's take a prominent color. 5 plus 4 is 9, yeah. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 3 plus 6 is also 9. So you need to write these numbers first here. So first write 5 plus 4. 5 is bigger than 4, so write here 5 and 4. The first column, write 5 and 4. This is a pet pattern, what numbers I will write now. So 5 and 4 is 9, and 1 plus 8 right here. Similarly 7 and 2 here, and 3 and 6 here. So you can see everywhere it is coming 9. Just you keep it in your mind that this number 5 is bigger in the first column, and in the last column 7 is bigger. So I didn't write 2 and 7, I wrote 7 and 2. In the middle columns I wrote smaller number up and bigger number down, like 1 and 8. So 1 is the smallest, I wrote up, and from 3 and 6, 3 is the smallest number, so I wrote 3 up and 6 down. Now after 8, till 8, 1 to 8, it is a pattern. You have to complete 9 and you have to write like this only. Now after 8, start 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, and 12 here. Till here, this is the pattern you need to complete every grade. For every number, you need to write like this only. Now, what number will come here? That you need to think. What will come here? What will come here? What will come here? What will come here? To complete it 2022, so that we can get everywhere, horizontally, vertically, even diagonally, we can get 22. So for this, what you need to do, so here is the trick. Till here you have to write all the numbers same number as it is. Okay, so I told you first you need to complete 999, and then in the middle number how you complete, where you will write 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now what you need to do, minus 20 from 22 always. So what you will get, 2. So this number 2 you need to write here. Subtract 1 from 2 always, so you will get 1. So write 1 here. Let's check. So 22 minus 20, always do minus 20, you will get 2. Write that 2 here, and minus 1 number from 2, you will get 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, and increase 1 number in 2, you will get 3. Write here 3, and then increase 1 number in 3, you will get 4 here. Now you can check everywhere. Horizontally it is coming 22, 22, 22 and 22, and vertically also it is coming 22, 22, 22, 22, and vertically also diagonally also coming 22. Even you can see these numbers, this plus this plus this plus this, it is coming 22. Even these numbers, this and this, 22. Even these numbers, this plus this plus this plus this. Even you can take these numbers, 2, 7, 4 and 19. From everywhere it will come 22. Okay guys, thank you very much. Hope you learn 4x4 grade. Apply this one on 3x3 grade and let me know.